बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये लेसन है फ्रॉम द टोफल सीरीज़ फॉर द बिगनर्स। आज हम इसमें जिस टॉपिक को कवर कर रहे हैं वो है अबाउट नो एंड नो हाउ। सो इसकी ग्रामर को कम्प्लीटली बिगिन करते हैं। विदाउट फर्दर अड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेसन। स्टडी द फॉलोइंग रूल्स कंसर्निंग द यूज़ ऑफ द वर्ब नो। आज हम इस वर्ब नो को फर्दर स्टडी करेंगे, उसकी ग्रामर को डायसेक्ट करेंगे। The word know-how is usually used to indicate that one has a skill or ability to do something. If you have to say someone has this ability or not, तो हम इसको know how के word से express करते हैं. Thus, it's usually followed by a verb, and when it is, the verb must be in the infinitive. So bear in mind, जब आपने know how को use करना है to say that somebody has an expression, has a skill or ability to do something, तो आप इसके बाद जो भी verb आएगा, bear in mind that has to be in the infinitive form. So grammatically make sure कि know how के बाद आने वाला जो verb है that must be in the infinitive form. So the sentence construction will look like subject followed by the word know how, and the verb followed by know how must always be in the infinitive form. And by now I'm sure you know that infinitive verb form is a simple verb form with the to preceding it, to followed by simple verb form. However, if you are using the word know only, the verb know by itself, on the other hand, is just usually followed by a noun, a prepositional phrase or a sentence. जब आपने know how mention करें तो know how के फौरन बाद verb आएगा and the verb should be in the infinitive form. However, जब आप know को by itself लिख रहे हैं, that always followed by a noun, a prepositional phrase or a sentence in that case. So the sentence construction when it comes to know is subject followed by verb know, then followed by no, noun, prepositional phrase and the sentence. So bear in mind know how के बाद verb आएगा in infinitive form and no के बाद simple आपके पास prepositional phrase, noun या sentence आएगा. अब हम इसको examples देखते हैं इसकी ताकि to understand the whole concept. Starting off with the first one, which is Bill knows how to play tennis well. So knows how के बाद आपके पास जो verb है that is always in the infinitive verb form. Second example, Maggie and her sister know how to prepare Chinese food. So again, know how followed by a verb in the infinitive form. Because you are showing that somebody has a skill, so आप जो skill बताएंगे that must be in the verb, that must be verb, so the verb is always in the infinitive form. Do you know how to get the Jay's house from here? How to get to Jay's house from here. So again, know how followed by a verb in the infinitive form. Now starting off with another example which is regarding know. Jason knew the answer to the teacher's question. So the verb knew is followed by the noun, the answer. Simple. No verb, nothing infinitive, not whatsoever. No one knows about Roy's accepting the new position. Now this is about prepositional phrase because the about is preposition, so it's a prepositional phrase जो कि आपके पास no के verb के बाद follow हो रही है. And then another example is I did not know that you were going to France. Here the word no is followed by a whole lot of sentence itself. So again no के बाद noun, prepositional phrase या sentence आएगा और know how के बाद हमेशा verb आएगा and that will be in the infinitive verb form. So this was all about the know and know how की grammar dissection. अब हम इसको reinforce करेंगे तमाम concept को by doing an exercise. So here we have an exercise of 10 questions जहाँ पे आपके पास blanks में आपको correct form of know and know how को insert करना है depending कि आपकी grammar का tense क्या है. और again reminder के तौर पे know how के बाद आपके पास verb infinitive form में आएगा और know how के बाद और know के बाद आपके पास noun भी हो सकता है, prepositional phrase भी हो सकता है और sentence भी हो सकता है. So just pause your video here and try to find the answers, and once you are done with, we can start off with the answers. So for those who are done with questions by now, we can look into answers now. Starting with the first one, the fourth graders know how to multiply. So आपके पास blank के बाद to multiply था, which is verb in infinitive form. So just insert the word know how here straight. Second question, how many people here know how to ski? So again this is infinitive verb form, so it must be preceded by the verb know how. Third question, we know about Mary's engagement to James. Again this is आपका prepositional phrase है, तो इससे पहले आपके पास जो verb होगा that will be only know. Now comes the question 4. The chemistry students know the formula for salt. So this आपके पास blank के बाद the whole lot of sentence है, so it just be आपने proceed करना है with the verb no only. Now question 5. Although he has been driving for 15 years, he doesn't know how to change a tire properly. So blank के बाद आपके पास verb infinitive form में है to change, so इसको आप just straight proceed कर लेंगे with the verb know how. So by now you have clarity कि आपने blank के बाद आपने simple अपना देखना है कि मौजूद क्या चीज़ है. If it's infinitive verb form, so without second thought आपने just know how को place करना है. Question 6. Leon knew that his friends would react to his preposition. So यहाँ पे आपके पास जो है वो पूरी sentence मौजूद है. Would is showing that it's a past tense. So आप इससे पहले just know को mention करेंगे in its second form, which is knew. Now question 7. Nobody knew how to get the turnpike yesterday. So again this is about yesterday, so it's a past tense. This is to get, which is an infinitive verb form, so इससे पहले आपके पास know how आएगा, but since it's a past tense तो आप इसको इसकी knew how लिखेंगे according to आपने इसको verb agree करना है with the sentence आपका जो tense है. Question 8. The owner of the store was away but she knew about the robbery. This is a prepositional phrase. As a result इसमें खाली know आएगा, and since it is about आपका past है तो आपने इसको knew mention करना है with your verb form. Question 9. We knew how to type before we entered the university. So this is about past tense because it's enter. So the verb knew will be in the second form, which is knew. And since आपके blank के बाद verb infinitive form में है, so आपके पास यहाँ पे knew how आएगा. So that's how you place your verb knew how in the question 9. Now final question. He does not know how to dance but he tries. So verb right away after जो आपका जो blank के बाद है वो infinitive form है, which is to dance. So as a result इसको it should be preceded by the verb know how, and since it's a simple tense we know by this word doesn't, so that's why the word know how comes here. So this is all about the concept about know and the know how. आपने इसको grammar को किस तरीके से place करना है. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video.